In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down how I was able to turn $11 into $1,100 in just simply 12 hours. I'm going to be breaking down how I did it, the strategy that I used, and you're also going to see the pairs that I did this on all in one day. So we started the account at $11.25 and we ended up taking two GBP JPY trades. Just a pretty simple breakout strategy that we used here. As you guys can see, little breakout, trend line break, and boom. We took two trades on here. Two entries because I wasn't sure how much I was going to be able to use. Could I do a 0.05? Could I do a 0.10? So we ended up catching the first GJ trade and we moved on. Okay, later on that day, another GJ sell. Beautiful, just beautiful breakout pattern. It's the same thing over and over and over again. The same way I trade, the same things that I do. It's just all the same shit. Again, man, we went throughout the day. GP NZD closed, GP JPY closed. GP CAD was our big winner here. We made $343 on this trade alone. Then we got into this GBP NZD trade, okay? For this trade, it looked like a beautiful buy breakout, little pre-breakout setup, as you guys can see. We ended up taking our buy position and it reversed on us, okay? We were up, I think, 90 bucks on this trade. Looked pretty good, and then I kind of just got greedy, wanted to hold it out to like $200-300 bucks. Ended up reversing on us, and I closed for a $60 loss. Now, this is the big boy trade right here, okay? This is the trade that really put us to that $1,000 mark. I decided, okay, I really like this setup, okay? Mind you, my stop losses or my mental stop losses are very, very, very tight. I'm gonna do two standards here. This is probably gonna be like a 1 to 10 ratio trade. I know that if this hits a loss, I'll probably lose 50 bucks. If this hits a win, I'm gonna make $500, okay? That's my goal. That's how I went into this trade mentally. As you guys can see, it played out perfectly. Closed the trade at $568. Just a beautiful, insane trade. And then at the end of the day, after all was said and done, we ended up withdrawing $149 with 62 cents, which left our total balance at $1,000.